If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making GUDA RASAGOla. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about quarter cup of Jaggery or Gurr. Then take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 1 cup of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chhena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chhena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chhena, slowly pour some water on top of it. It will get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now in a bowl, take all the Chhena followed by all the Gurr, powder and salt, and combine it really well with your fingers. And after it's well combined, we need to knead it like a dough for at least 4-5 minutes. Then after that, apply some ghee on your palm and take a small portion of it and shape it like a ball. Just like this. Now similarly make others. Now in a pan, take about 2 cups of water along with all the sugar and bring that to boil first, which is a must before adding the Chhena balls. So once the boil comes, add all the Chhena balls one by one, and we need to boil these on medium flame for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, they will soak up the sugar syrup and will get bigger in size. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad GUDA RASAGOla. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.